Hello everyone, we are here today for the artist residency program and we are here with a very young and emerging artist Reshmi Devi. She has completed her bachelor's from Vishwa Bharati University Kala Bhavan and is currently pursuing her master's in visual arts in Assam University Silchar. So we are here today as part of artist residency program and a lot of the artists have been staying here in IIM Shillong for the past couple of days. So we are just gonna have some talk with Reshmi and just explore her painting and the process that she does. And hello Reshmi. So just tell us about how have you been, for the past couple of days. All the artists are living in Shillong, and how has it been for the past couple of days?
It's really interesting for me because I have been in Shillong when I was really young, like in my 4 or 5 years I was like that,
Okay.
and at that time we lived in Happy Valley.
Okay.
So yeah, Umsoli is the first time. So
Acha,
yeah,
sorry.
Umsoli is the first time. So being here is like really nice. I love everything about it. The nature, the people, everybody is so nice, and
I
there is
mean,
like a freshness in the air, you can
okay.
say. And
So, I mean, I think a lot of the artists you have been in touch with a lot in this residency program. So, have you like kind of learned something from them or just their process? Just tell us about that a little bit.
of course, they are so talented on their own like ways, and everybody have their own like perks. So it's been a really great experience to learn from them because I don't know much about because I'm still learning.
Okay.
So they have their different ways, their different thinking, the application of their paint is different, and yeah, their like view of how to see the world is different. So yeah, it's always a learning process whenever you
So
meet someone new.
here, I mean, I think Sir is mostly doing acrylic kind of painting. What is your kind of artistic style, or let's just say the mediums that you work with in your personal work?
Actually, sir been like a very good influence for me because I prefer to use acrylics,
Okay.
and he have taught us so many new methods to like apply paint and how to be like spontaneous and be brave about your
Yes.
paintings, how to like just express yourself. And he also like taught us some other mediums like suggestions.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So it's great, and yeah.
Even even actually, I asked Sir as well in the last interview. Does he kind of have any like plans? Let's say long-term plans, but he said the exact same thing. He was like, I like to be spontaneous, and even that is kind of reflected in his artwork as well. Because what he told was is if there is a blank canvas, I just start and I just think along the way. Because some of the artists kind try to do, let's just say, sketch, but he was like, no, I want to be spontaneous. I want to be challenging. So just coming on to the second question of like uh, what like inspired you to pursue this art career, and like how did you go about it? Did you like kind of change your career, or did you just wanted to be artist from a very young age?
It just happened actually.
Okay.
When like I was in my 10th grade, there was an art teacher. So he like introduced me to like the contemporary art scene.
Okay.
He like showed me that there is a like whole world where an artist can live. So
Okay.
that like give me like a path.
Okay.
So I thought, yeah, I can walk on that. So yeah, and just it happens like step by step.
Yes,
Many
yes,
things
yes.
happen, and here I am now.
Yes, I mean it is very. I mean all the artists have like a lot of inspiring stories, and I think all the new upcoming artists can, I think, will be inspired a lot by hearing the stories of all the artists that are here. So just also just let us know your creative process, because every artist has kind of different process where they paint. So if you see a blank canvas, how do you picture it? Do you like have an idea beforehand, or like what is the entire step from starting till finish? How do you go about it? Just let us know about that a little bit.
the the way I perceive something is like changing every in like few months.
Okay.
So it's hard to explain right now, but whenever like I see a blank canvas, the only thing I know is that I want to work on it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like I'm not that spontaneous as like
So,
Majumdar sir, but uh, I always like try to do new things, but I'm little like hesitant about it.
okay.
So I'm still learning, and mostly my works are based on what surrounds me,
Okay.
and like the images are from like my surroundings,
Okay.
and the colors come from my own heart. Like,
Okay.
that's what, the
That is
emotions.
a very interesting way to say it. So also the subjects I like, is it like kind of mostly landscape, or have you tried other, let's say portrait or animals or other kind of things as well?
I work on like myself, because I think like I struggle with my identity.
Okay.
So like identity in a way that I've grown up in like different states, among different cultures, and like been with different kind of people. So it's hard for me to find my own place where I can fit in. So I uh, many times I like work on my culture and
Okay.
things to like just know like and to know about
A little bit more about the
more
culture.
about myself and more about like who I am, where my roots are, and that's something I was working, and now like I'm drifting away.
Okay.
So it's still like
Some.
you can say
Yeah.
I'm still in process.
I think the process never stops for an artist as well. So I think the process keeps on going for every artist. So
It's just like process is something which happens for everyone,
yes.
but the thing is you can see the process of the artist like life in his artwork or in her artwork.
Okay.
So that's the only difference I think.
Yes, definitely. So along with acrylics, like let's say, what other mediums would you want to practice on or want to learn new skills from?
Anything.
Okay.
Anything and everything.
Okay.
If I like get a because I want to try many things, but don't know how to. So
Okay.
if
Okay.
I got the opportunity, I will like go for it, and I like I will try to like explore more and more. So right now I am still in basics like mixed medium,
Okay. Okay.
like this time of collage, and
Yes.
these are the things, and acrylics are my like best friend right now.
Okay. Okay. Even uh, I mean, a lot of the people find a watercolor starts with the watercolor, and that becomes a bit of challenging task. And they kind of drop it initially because it is not reflected, as per their expectation. So also, like, what happens is, um, a lot of the artists kind of have a artist block after some point of time. They kind of, let's just say, work on a particular art piece for so much time, and they get burnt out, and after that they just kind of need some time. So has that happened kind of you, I mean, to you as well, and if so, how have you like overcome it and uh, just stay motivated to complete the painting or to start a new work?
Okay, so it happens because there are many like mediums which I am not really comfortable with, like charcoals and dry pastels,
Okay.
soft pastels. These are things which like I can't get my flow in it, because I've seen many of my friends doing such good works in it,
Yes.
and I just can't. But this is the thing, I just learn it, I learn the process, but if I can't like express myself in that medium, then medium is not for me.
Yes. I mean, it
So
becomes a bit of
yeah.
challenging task as well. Also, is there any, let's just say, any artist that you are influenced by very much, kind of your inspiration, if you have any, or you just go about with your work as well?
I love many artists, but I think the color application, I love two artists like Jem W. Turner. His like seascapes are so dramatic, so emotion, like full of emotions. And then there is like Ganesh Payan, is an Indian contemporary artist, and his works are mysterious, you can say, and I love mysteries. So it's like I love his like color palette, his color application, and how he plays figures. Like
Okay,
that's
that is a very interesting say. So let's just talk about any challenging project that you had up till now, and let's just say if you have faced any difficulties or obstacles in completing that particular project. Is there any such kind of project or painting that has happened up till now? And if so, just let us know about that.
there are two. There have been two. Uh, First one is like Morning Scent.
Okay.
This was a project which I did under Sanchan Ghosh. Means he was my like mentor in Shantiniketan. So he gave us like step by step. He like give us some task. First, he asked us to collect pigments. So we like what kind of pigment. So we just search for different kind of pigments, and some went with basics like coffee,
Okay.
tea,
Yes. Yes.
masalas. Then there are some who like go to like extremes where they just went to a factory or something
Okay.
and some like some work with some chemicals. And at that time it was the time of the lockdown. I just like went outside to think, and I saw this agarbatti, and yeah, there is a gray pigment.
Yes.
So just there it there it started, and like step by step it created a book,
Okay.
a small book of like this journey of this agarbatti, and my experience, my view of this. So it was like don't have that much material also that time,
Yes.
so the paper was really hard to get. So I made a small ones, and
Okay.
that book fitted into this agarbatti box.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it was a great. It's a great book, and if you open it, you can smell the agarbatti.
Agarbatti is that's
So it gives you the feel.
yes. Yes.
So it's I whenever I smell it, yeah, it's just remind me of home. And the other work is like my recent work, wandering in the forest. Uh, that's something I did after I like came back from Shantiniketan to like my hometown, and I was struggling with ideas like what to do, new place, everything just like hit different now.
Yes. Yes.
Because I was just freshly graduated, and suddenly my
Yeah.
like whole place changed.
Changed. Yes.
So there was a banana trees
Okay.
outside my this PG's
Okay. Okay.
PG,
Yes.
PG
Yes.
room.
Yes.
So I just saw it, and I know I just thought I want to draw it. So I draw it, and then I thought that that's not enough. I should make a forest of it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
then I made a forest, and then I work with fish a lot
Yes. Yes.
because
Yes.
yeah, I like to work with fish a lot because yeah, that's something I like to from my culture.
Yes. Yes.
Nah, not only my culture but the livelihood of my people. So I thought just draw the fish on the sky, let them fly.
Okay. Okay.
Then I draw a small cat who is just passing by.
Okay.
And if you see the painting like zoom the painting,
Okay.
or like look it like
Very
closely,
closely.
you can see two pair of eyes.
Okay.
So those two pairs of eyes, I don't like make like I said it like yeah, that's me. If
Okay.
someone
Okay.
asks me, yeah, that's me. But I think that's not me. But I also don't know
Whose
Who is
eyes
that?
are they?
I still don't know, but
Okay,
I
okay.
want. I just like those eyes.
Okay.
So that forest I made, and then it's like I do. It took like me a month for a month, like a
Okay.
month of like
That's a
process,
lot of time.
because yeah, I drew a lot of circles there. But it was a little challenging, and I was in a new place, so they want my works.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yes,
want to
yes.
submit someone
Yes,
something
yes, yes,
now, so
yes.
I started some other works. But that work I loved it, and I just did it. And yeah, that was something I just liked it, and worked
Quite a lot on
thoroughly
it.
on that.
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely. It takes a lot of time. In a month's time is a lot of time for starting and completing a new painting, and that too with the breaks as well. So, uh, I mean, on the work, have you received any feedback or criticism in the past, and how have you let's just say used that feedback to improve your painting? Uh, just let us know any of such incident if you have any.
There are like many good feedbacks I have got from like my mentors, like from Assam University also, and from Shantiniketan, and from my friends here, and from sir also. But those feedbacks are like, I if it's a like a positive one, like if then I accept it, because I know I'm not the best. So
It's
everybody
just
make
learning.
mistakes.
Yes, it is a part of the process,
Yeah,
basically.
sometimes it's hard to like process it, that
Make it.
like it blocks my way, like
Yeah.
my path.
Okay. Okay.
Because if I like plan something and someone came and just said like, oh,
Mm.
this is not going well,
Mm-hmm.
then my whole plan shatters.
Yes.
So that's something, but it's also a process you have to go through
Yes.
no
Yes.
matter where you are. So yeah, I just took it in a great way. I have, but as in someone who is in a creative field, you receive some drastic like feedbacks
Feedbacks.
from people that
Okay. Yes. Yes.
like, what is it?
Yes.
So many times I just block my mind and say, yeah, they don't know anything.
Yeah, sometimes the audience also matters. I mean, the person who really knows about art, they will kind of view your painting and see it differently as compared to normal people who have, let's just say, not much information or knowledge about painting or art in general. So yes, criticism, feedback is kind of way you grow as well, and sometimes you have to avoid as well if it is blocking your path. So yeah.
Okay, the criticism part is like, if someone is criticizing my work, and like if they see something, even if they are non-artists,
Okay.
that even if they see something and say, ah, that's not going well. If it clicks me and like I can understand it,
Okay.
why
Okay.
the reasons,
Mm-hmm.
then of course, because
Okay.
a normal person can also view art.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So that's something like to take in, and
Mm.
I'm still working on it, because
Yeah.
I'm still like not very
Mm.
accepting.
Yeah.
It's
It is
take
a
a lot.
process,
It's
obviously.
take a lot,
Yeah.
because it's take a lot to like take advice from everyone.
Yes, yes.
But the only advice I don't take is, why are you doing this?
I mean, that nobody should be asking that. I mean, for an artist, painting and drawing is everything, I guess. So, yeah. So let's just talk about your goals. If you have any, let's just say, long-term goals or short-term goals, or any goals right now, if you have set up, or if you have not set up as well. So anything.
I mean, there are many, of course, like. For now, I have just thinking that any job will do, but anything, then that won't stop me for working.
Yes, yes.
In the end, like why I started this my art journey was because I love to do it, and I just want to be like in my late years and still love it.
Yes,
I don't
definitely.
want like any drastic thing happens to me that will make me like away from
Yeah.
this process of life. So
Yes, yes,
that's the only thing. Other than that, I think, yeah, life is also spontaneous. You
Yes,
can't
yes,
tell.
yes.
You can't tell what will
Yeah,
happen in
definitely,
the other
definitely.
month, like
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
coming month. So I'm just like hoping for the best.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Yes, that's.
So, um, let's just say, what message would you like to give to a young artist like you as well, or who have just started their art journey? How much dedication does it take? What should they go for? Let's just say a proper university, or is it if they are self-learning as well, that will also work? So, um, what kind of message would you like to give?
I mean, if you can go to a university, go for it. If you can't, because not everyone,
Not everyone can
not
afford.
every
Yeah.
family is okay, and not everyone can do it.
Yes, yes,
Like,
yes.
so no, but in the end, if you like find your like space
Yes, yes,
and you can work,
yes, yes,
so that's like something, because we are pursuing this as
yes, yes.
professionals, but you don't have to be professional to be an artist.
Yes, 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 definitely, definitely.
So that's the point. Like,
Yeah, I understand. Even like a lot of people kind of simultaneously do job and start to learn at a very later stage as well. So not everyone has the opportunity to, let's just say, learn professionally, and a lot of the artists, good artists, are self-taught as well. So I think a lot of people are inspired by that
I think in the end of the day, if you can put your emotions and your like the
creative process.
yeah your image that you make in your
Yes,
mind
yes,
to
yes,
the canvas,
yes,
if you can put the colors the way you want, there you go, you are an artist.
Even uh, we are talking about colors. Sometimes it is very difficult to determine what color should I put on the painting. Is it like a common thing between artists, or like only the new kind of, let's just say, upcoming artist? Um Sometimes I'll just tell you the context. I also try to draw a little bit even in my spare time. So let's just say I draw a sketch, but sometimes it is a difficulty in selecting the color on that particular design. So is it kind of how should you, let's just say, overcome this, or yeah, how should you go about it?
I think it happens to everyone. But yeah, if you have what you say, the sense of color,
Okay.
to which colors go with which,
Okay.
you can like make a very good picture.
Yes. Yes.
But it's not every like
Ah.
necessary.
Okay.
So most of the time, like I think everybody goes with like whatever emotion they have with the painting.
Okay. Okay.
So you can tell the emotion of the painting by the color. So, but it's also like every artist have their own view of a color. Like for some, one color can mean sadness, and for the other, it's a joy.
Definitely. Definitely.
So whatever you like, you should go for it and like try. And if you fail, then you know that that's not going to work.
Yeah, that's not going to
So
work.
that's
You
how
have to
we
change it.
learn most of the time. Like in our colleges also, they don't like teach us, like they don't tell us how to
How
like
to do it.
do it. Like the theories are not that important, but
But
the process and
yeah,
the like
practical
practice.
aspect of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they will ask you one thing only, like practice a lot.
Yes. 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 Definitely.
Yeah, that's the only point. And wherever you go from that, you'll see like people drawing like very realistically.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
also good.
Yes.
But someone will draw with like the flow,
Yes.
like the human body is flowing. But
Yes. Yes.
that's also you can
Another creative style.
yeah,
Yeah.
you can see the flow. You can see the motion of the person.
Painting. Yeah.
So that's how like one see the thing realistically,
Yes. Yes.
and one see with the flows.
Yes. Yes.
So that's the just about the view.
Yeah. So just on to the last kind of thing. How has this program has been, uh, for you creatively, as well as in kind of learning way, as well as the friendship, as well as all the group learning? How has it been for the past couple of days? Just let us know your last thoughts.
Um, let's be honest. From the very first day, it was like we known each other for like years. We
Okay.
just clicked. I don't
Okay.
know why, because we are like all of us are art students or something. But we just clicked, and from like day one, we just know each other. We just talked us like we are just batchmates or something.
Yes, yes,
So they are great friends and great artists that I can like take inspirations from, because I have seen their work, and each and every one of them have a unique style.
yes, definitely.
And like I was so mesmerized by looking at them and how they like view something. Yeah, it was great. And about this program, it really helped. I was saying that I made that forest. After
Yes.
that forest painting, I made some sketches, but I don't know how to like paint it.
Okay.
I made the sketch,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I don't know how to paint it. I don't, because it will not go with the previous style I was doing.
Yes, yes, yes,
It
yes.
will not. It has a lot of, uh, it has lot of emotions in it,
Yes.
and lot of expressions that I want to like. I don't want to be a stiff image. I
Yes, yes.
wanted to express. So I was, my path was so blocked, but sir was a really great help. He just taught me so many like new
Thank you.
methods,
Yeah.
and I'm really grateful for IIM to organize this all, because to be here for like 15 days and do only painting, and the trips we went for, and the experience we got, I think it's a like
New
what
learning.
yeah, new, what we
Learning.
can say, um, it's prominent to this our
Yeah.
life now,
Yes,
because
yes.
this 15 days we learn a lot of things which
Yeah.
we can't, because changing the space, like coming out of our universities and coming here and looking in a like in a normal
Yes,
university,
yes, yes, yes.
uh,
I mean,
everything
yeah.
just changes.
Sir also actually mentioned in the last interview that a lot of the artists have come with preset of knowledge and a lot of things you have to unlearn to learn new things. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think
And yeah, also sir said many things which helped, like many times happened for like this young artists, they do good work, me also of course. They do a good work, and for like our next project
yes,
we want same kind of result,
yes, yes, yes.
so we unconsciously try to copy our own works.
Mm,
And that clicked me, because I thought, I was thinking that, oh my god, like last painting I liked it very much.
yes, yes.
uh, there are some elements I liked very much, so I should I put it, like,
Mm-hmm.
but how can I put it?
Mm,
I was not thinking about the like the process what I'm going for,
mm.
but the process I already did,
Already did.
so it was a blockage.
Yes.
And coming here, I'm just thinking of like starting all over again, and I think this program gave me that courage also.
I mean, yeah, a lot of artists have experienced this and this kind of living with the artist and living in that environment. I think it helps creatively a lot for a lot of artists as well.
Hmm. Because when you live like in when I'm in my village, like my hometown, I love to work, but at some time it just like became monotonous,
Yes.
and I don't know what I'll do like in my next day, because my
Mm.
sketches will look almost same.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So what to do new? So that's why we need like exposure to
Yes,
like
yes,
other
to
people
different environment, different
and
place.
different places, and yeah, it was like a great experience.
So yeah. Thank you very much, Reshmi.
Oh,
Thank you for your
thank
time. I mean, a lot of the artists will get inspired from your story as well, and will try to pursue art as well. Thank you very much for your time.
Okay, thank you.